Like, subscribe, and share.
Hi guys. My boys asked for something sweet today. Shock, shock, right? They picked out a peanut butter chocolate chip bar from our favorite cookbook. You can find this on Amazon. I'll leave the link to it. It's Southern Keto by Natasha Newton. Okay. This recipe has 1 cup of peanut butter. You could also use almond butter, cashew butter, sunflower butter, wild butter. But to keep it keto, we need to use a sugar-free butter, whatever we do. So, I've got our peanut butter. Sorry, I can't stand to have stuff sitting around everywhere. I have a 1/2 cup of the monkfruit sweetener. I have a 1/2 cup chocolate chips. Get every last one of those Lily's chocolate chips in there. And I need to put a teaspoon of baking powder. And a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Don't you just love how vanilla smells? I know I do. I've tried to taste it before and drink it. Take my advice, don't do that. It smells a lot better than it tastes just by itself. We could also ask some of the kids about that because I guarantee some of those have tried it. Okay, back to my bars. Okay, I've got 2 eggs. So I'm just going to stir this up. And once it's all stirred up, I put it in a preheated 375-degree oven. And then we're going to bake it for 14 to 16 minutes. But I'll show you what it looks like before it goes in the oven. This is what they look like before the oven. And here in a moment, we'll see what they look like after they're baked. Ooh. That looks really good. Let me give a little test here. Maybe another minute or so. They're a little bit too soft. So we'll put them back in here. And we'll try this again in a second. Alrighty, let's try this again since we had that blooper there a second ago. But like I said before, this is real life. There we go. Oh yeah, they're much better. So now we just need to let them cool and we'll cut them up into bars and give them a taste test.
Another piece.
Alright, let's see. Got this one for the cameraman here in just a second. This one for the little kid judge. Here you go. Grab the spoon. Grab the spoon. Is it good? Alright. Now, one for the cook. Or whatever I am. I'm not sharing. Hey, Mr. Cameraman.
Tastes just like the batter. No, tastes just like the batter.
So what do you think?
Mm-hmm.
All right, there you have it. Another win.
Like, subscribe, and share.